You can't beat a nice cranberry sauce at Christmas, and this is using 3 ingredients. Step 1, add in some fresh cranberries into a pan with the zest and juice of 1 clementine and about 50 grams of brown sugar. If you haven't got brown sugar, you could use date syrup, maple syrup, whatever you've got. Mix it round while it's heating up so it dissolves at the bottom, and then you can add in a bit of optional wine or port if you've got it, but that is optional. Simmer this for about sort of 5 minutes. As you can see, it starts getting really, really bubbly and it starts to break down and sort of go gloopy. With your spoon, sort of crush all the cranberries in so it's not too bitter, and then give it a good little taste. Do you need a bit more sugar? Remember, it's a personal preference. Do you want to add in a bit more orange? When you've got the consistency right, obviously make sure you've cleaned your glass out, add it in, and this will keep in the fridge for around 5 days. Really easy, simple, cheap and quick. Give it a go. For all things less meat, vegan, vegetarian and veganuary, click the subscribe button for future notifications.